5 officials. We also have a team from New Zealand, 14 swimmers and 6 officials.
I am delighted to welcome you all with a big Fijian bula to the opening of the 2018 Junior Pan Pacific Swimming Championships. A warm welcome to our swimmers, coaches, officials, parents, friends, and supporters. I hope you all enjoy our hospitality and your short stay in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor for Fiji to host these Premier Junior Championships for the Pacific Rim nations. Thank you for your belief in Fiji. This is the first time that this championship has been held outside of USA, Canada, Australia, and Japan, and we are very proud to have this honor. The Fijian government continues to showcase our bula, hospitality, and to promote our facilities, knowing that you will have an enjoyable and competitive 4 days with us. Having an international competition of this caliber in Fiji, following the successful hosting of the 2016 Oceania Swimming Championships, is in line with Fiji Swimming's strategic plan of hosting an international competition every 2 years and is supported by our government. Ladies and gentlemen, hosting a quality swimming competition in Fiji not only creates the awareness but contributes towards Fiji's sports, tourism, and making Fiji a hub of Pacific sports. We are clear in our intentions in promoting Fiji to be one of the most sought after destinations for sporting events in the Asia-Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage our parents to introduce your children to swimming. It is one of the most popular sports around the world. It is also a life skill, a great way to keep fit, stay healthy, and make friends. It is a low-impact activity that has many physical and mental health benefits. Traveling all the way from your homes far away to this paradise of ours will be memorable as our junior swimmers take on the best juniors in the world. Finally, all the best to all the swimmers. May you all enjoy the 2018 Junior Pacific Championships. Vinaka, Dhanivad, Sokran, and thank you all.